Changing the default video player on Android takes two steps. First, we need to reset and clear the current video player, and then you can choose your new default player for videos. I'll show you two ways to do this, and it's pretty easy if you know what app is currently set as your default video player. The tricky part is that if I open a video like this, a lot of times it'll play right inside my file manager, and I can't really tell which app my phone is currently using for videos. In the app switcher, it shows as the file manager, so it's impossible to tell unless I can recognize the UI and buttons in the video player. I have a solution for this too, and we'll get to that in a minute. If you do know what's the current default app, we can go reset it. Go to Settings and then scroll down to Apps. Then from the list of apps, we'll find the app that's currently being used as the default video player. I know mine is using Google Photos right now, so I'll scroll down until I find the Photos app. Here in the app settings, there's a section for defaults. I can go in here, and on the bottom where it says Clear Defaults, we can clear all default settings. That's really it. Nothing seemingly happens, but now when I go to open any video file, my phone will ask me what app I'd like to use to open it. And I can also choose whether I'd like this app to always be used for videos, or if it's going to be used just this one time. If I choose Always, that app becomes my new default video player. But what about the user who doesn't know what their current video player is? You could go back to the apps page in your settings and look for some usual suspects for video players, and then clear the defaults like I did for Google Photos. It might require you to check multiple apps, but that's one option. The other option is to go all the way up and reset defaults for all apps on your phone. On some Android models that's inside the default apps menu, you'll go here, then tap three dots up top and reset defaults from there. Mine doesn't have it here, but I can do it from the previous page. Three dots and reset app preferences. This will reset basically all app preferences on your phone, so keep that in mind. It'll reset all default apps and all other app-specific settings you've changed on your phone. Not ideal, but works as a last resort option. Now that I've reset my app preferences, my phone will once again ask what app to use for videos, and I can choose whether that's a one-time use or if I want it to use the same app every time for video files. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.